Welcome to our channel. We're excited to share inspiring craft and decor ideas with you. If you enjoy our content, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Your support helps us bring more creative inspiration your way. Thanks for being here. Let's create something beautiful together. In today's fast-paced world, keeping your living and workspaces tidy can be a challenge, especially when it comes to managing mobile devices, spices, tablets, and writing materials. At Sari 11, we believe that functionality should never compromise style. That's why we have designed a versatile wood holder that seamlessly combines practicality. Our wood holder is meticulously crafted from premium, sustainable wood, ensuring durability and a natural aesthetic that complements any interior decor. The sleek, minimalist design features clean lines and a compact footprint, making it suitable for various spaces, from kitchen countertops to office desks. The natural wood finish adds warmth and charm, while the smooth surface ensures easy. One of the standout feature of wood holder is its dedicated space for mobile devices and tablets. In today's digital age, staying organized is essential for productivity and entertainment. The holder's specially designed slots provide a secure and upright position for your smartphones and tablets, preventing clutter and accidental falls. The slots are adjustable to fit various device sizes, from small smartphones to larger tablets. This setup is perfect for video calls, reading recipes while cooking, or keeping your devices charged and accessible. The open design allows for easy Transform your kitchen storage with wood holder's innovative spice compartment. Cooking enthusiasts know how essential it is to have spices organized and within easy reach. Our design includes a designated section with small, secure slots or jars, ideal for storing a variety of spices, herbs, and seasonings. The compartments are thoughtfully designed to keep spices fresh and prevent spills, ensuring your cooking area remains clean and tidy. The wood's natural finish adds a rustic charm to your kitchen decor, elevating even the simplest spice rack. The compartments can be customized to fit standard spice jars or small containers, making it versatile for different preferences. For students, professionals, and creative individuals, organization of writing materials is crucial for productivity. This wood holder offers a dedicated space for pens, pencils, markers, and notebooks. Its multiple compartments are perfect for segregating different writing tools, making it easy to find what you need quickly. The design also includes a flat surface suitable for storing notebooks, sticky notes, or small paper. This wood holder has multi-purpose functionality, making it an indispensable accessory for busy households. Its thoughtful design allows it to serve various roles simultaneously, holding your mobile device, storing spices, organizing writing tools, and even accommodating small accessories like keys or jewelry. This adaptability means you can place it in different areas of your home or workspace, customizing it to suit your specific. To keep it looking pristine, regular dusting with a soft cloth is sufficient. For deeper cleaning, a damp cloth with mild soap can be used, followed by drying to prevent moisture damage. The natural wood finish resists stains and scratches, ensuring the holder remains attractive over time. Its sturdy construction ensures longevity, even with daily use in busy environments. Additionally, the eco-friendly wood material is resistant to warping and cracking, making it suitable for different climates. Proper care extends the lifespan of the holder, allowing you to enjoy its functionality and beauty for years. If desired, you can also apply a light coat of wood polish or oil periodically to enhance its shine and protection. T. Personalizing wood holder can elevate its appeal and make it a unique reflection of your style. You can add decorative elements such as engraved initials, patterns, or quotes on the wood surface to make it truly yours. Using wood stains or paints, you can customize the color to match your existing decor. Whether you prefer a natural look, distressed finish, or bold hues. Additionally, small decorative accessories like faux greenery, beads, or charms, our wood holders are eco-friendly, stylish, and versatile, making them suitable for various settings and purposes. We prioritize customer satisfaction and strive to offer innovative solutions that enhance your daily life. By combining traditional craftsmanship with modern design, Sari 11 provides decor pieces that are both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Our commitment to quality, sustainability, and customer service makes us a trusted choice for home and workspace organization. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring craft and decor ideas. Hit the like button, share with friends, and stay tuned for our latest updates. Your support means the world to us. See you next